Now that is the type of introduction that gets me excited to make plain Greek yogurt at home in the Instant Pot. It's quick, it's easy, it's cheap, it's versatile. Do I need to go on? Let's get into it. Now I'm starting with half a gallon of whole milk, which is going to yield 5 cups or 1.18 quarts of finished yogurt. Keep in mind that the 6-quart Instant Pot, which is the one pictured here, can fit up to 1 whole gallon. Once your milk is inside the Instant Pot, throw the lid on and hit the yogurt button twice until the display reads boil. After approximately 20 minutes, your milk will have reached its ideal temperature of 180 degrees Fahrenheit, in which case you will hear a beep from the Instant Pot, remove the lid, and cool it down to approximately 105 to 115 degrees Fahrenheit. Now you can do this in one of two ways. You can just put it on the counter and let it rest for approximately an hour, or you can take the milk out of the Instant Pot and place it in a cool bath. Once your milk has reached the ideal temperature range of between 105 and 115 degrees Fahrenheit, go ahead and remove the milk from your cooling bath. Then place it on a towel and make sure you dry it well, because you're going to put this thing back into the electric heating mechanism and you don't want water and electronics to mix. So make sure that is nice and dry and go ahead and put it back in the Instant Pot. It is time now to add our most crucial ingredient, which is yogurt. I suggest you use plain whole Greek yogurt if that's what you intend to make, but just make sure it's not flavored. Go ahead and scoop in about 2 tablespoons into your milk and give it a good whisk. Once your yogurt has dissolved into the milk, go ahead and put the cover on of your Instant Pot and hit the yogurt button until the time reading displays. Now you're going to want to set this anywhere between 12 and 24 hours in order to incubate the yogurt. Once the incubation period is complete, it is time to strain your yogurt. Now you can do so with a regular strainer, but I will also put a link in the description below for a yogurt strainer, which is a fine mesh strainer, ideal for this sort of thing. All you're going to do is go ahead and remove the yogurt from the Instant Pot and place it in the strainer. If you don't have a fine mesh strainer and you don't want to order a yogurt strainer, you can go ahead and line the strainer that you have with a cheesecloth. Now go ahead and place your yogurt into the fridge. Now keep in mind, if you don't want Greek yogurt, you can just eat it as is. You don't have to strain it at all. But what this is going to do is strain all of the whey, which you can reuse later for baking or some other sort of thing that you want to get into. So after about 4 to 6 hours, go ahead and remove the yogurt. And as you can see here, that is the whey that has been collected over those couple of hours. And like I said, you can use this for baking or all sorts of stuff. I don't, but you can. Last step is to just remove your Greek yogurt. Now check out the consistency here. You might want it a little thicker, you might want it a little bit more soupy. That's up to you. It's really just personal preference. But go ahead and scoop it into your container. And like I said, this is going to yield 5 cups or 1.18 liters. And it's really that simple. Now it's time to enjoy your Instant Pot plain Greek yogurt. Ladies and gentlemen, that's how easy it is to make Instant Pot plain Greek yogurt at home. Now, if you're interested in the yogurt strainer that I discussed in the video, there's a link in the description below, along with a couple of other products that I found useful. That's it for me, but if you really got any use out of this video, then please feel free to give it a thumbs up because it tremendously helps with the YouTube algorithm, and I will see you next time.